Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Hey friends, today is part 2 of my Christmas Clean and Decorate With Me series, and today we're decorating my formal living room, entryway, and guest bedroom, and I cannot wait for you to see how all of the decor turned out. So whether you're relaxing or you're cleaning along with me, let's go ahead and get started.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
I'm starting off just by removing all of the fall decor here off of this bench, just kind of picking everything up before I go ahead and wipe down all of the surfaces. And today I am using the CALDREA BALSAM Birch Spray. Oh my goodness, you guys, this smells so good. I know it's going to be one of my favorite Christmas scents this year, especially because I can use it on wood, on laminate, on granite. It's safe on a lot of surfaces, so that makes cleaning really easy.
Holiday.
If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy and I'm so glad that you stopped by today. Here on my channel, I do a ton of home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, and motherhood content, and I would absolutely love it if you would consider subscribing. Also, if you happen to miss out on part 1 of my decorating series where I decorate my dining room for Christmas, make sure you go check that out. I'll have it linked in the description below. I'm starting out just by adding this really cozy throw blanket to the bench. I feel like it adds just a nice texture and element of coziness, as well as my hunter boots. I always like to keep those there because I feel like they add a really nice homey touch. But then I'm going to go ahead and just play around with different Christmas pillows and just kind of see what I like. Today's video is in collaboration with my friend Melina Brooke. She's also going to be decorating her home for Christmas today, and I know it's going to be beautiful, so make sure you go check it out after watching my video today. I found Melina's channel several months back and I have been hooked ever since. She does the best cleaning motivation. Her home is beautiful and she's in the middle of building her dream home now with her family. She's a mama to 2 boys and she just started doing day in the life vlogs, and they are just so sweet. I know you're gonna love her, so make sure you go over to her channel today, watch her video, subscribe, and you will not be disappointed. I have been having so much fun decorating this year. It has made my heart just so happy to be in this home now for quite some time and just kind of get everything how I like it. And my older 2, Emma and Grayson, are finally old enough to kind of understand what's going on, and they love all of the decorations. When they come downstairs in the morning, their face just lights up. We cannot wait to put up the tree. That's going to be in my next Clean and Decorate with me. And my younger son Graham is 10 months, so this is going to be his first Christmas, so we're really excited to celebrate that with him. I ended up putting this little pillow with a red truck from Pier 1 in that basket, as well as some firewood that I had left over from last year, and it took me forever to figure out which trees to use. I probably changed it 20 times, not even kidding. But I also love having my hunter boots here by the bench. I feel like it makes it feel homier and more inviting and just really gives off that farmhouse feel. And there is one space all complete. I absolutely love how this area turned out.
Making our Christmas memories.
And moving right along to the sitting area, I'm going to start by just removing the pillows and removing all of the fall decor, and then I'm also going to wipe down this table as well. If you're wondering why this wall looks so blank, I normally have a chalkboard up here with some kind of scripture or saying, but I actually took it down and I'm moving it to the family room for Christmas. But don't worry, I'm going to put something up here in just a second. I'm just adding this window pane that I actually got way back when in college. I only paid $1 for it at a flea market, so I'm pretty dang proud of it. I hope that it stays in my home forever, but I'm just adding this really pretty Christmas wreath to it. It just has really pretty red berries. So I ended up changing the decor on here a couple of times, but I ended with these really cute frosted trees, a little joy sign that I stacked on some books just for some added height and texture, as well as that cute little deer you see behind me. And that tree that I put on the ottoman is just from the Target dollar spot last year. I'm sure they have more. And now I'm adding these gorgeous red plaid pillows that I got at Pier 1 a few years back, and I love them on these white chairs. I think the contrast is just so pretty. And now I'm lighting my new balsam vanilla candle from Bath and Body Works, and it's already smelling like Christmas in here. And I'm just gonna finish up by vacuuming. And if you're planning on doing some type of clean and decorate, or maybe you're just cleaning your home and decorating, make sure you save the vacuuming for last, because for whatever reason, whenever I decorate, I don't know if it's the artificial trees or what it is, but it seems to get really messy all over the floors, so definitely save that vacuuming for last. Since the bench area had a lot going on, I just decided to keep the sitting area really simple and classic, and that way it just balanced out the space, and I loved it. I love the way that it turned out. I cannot wait to sit in this room and drink coffee and just read a good book. But now I'm moving on to the entryway table, and yet again I'm just starting by removing all of the fall decor. I initially had this grand vision of doing garland all along the staircase for Christmas, but it just didn't happen this year. I really focused on buying decor for the dining room, and I didn't want to spend too much money. So next year, that will be my big purchase, I think. I like to kind of redo a space every year, but I love the way that the garland turned out on this table, as well as this cute little sleigh with the same kind of greenery in it. I purchased that at Kirkland's. But as always, you'll see me move things around 10 million times before I get it just right. Since I am loving all of the reds this year, I thought a really simple and easy way to swap out some decor would be to use the vase that I already had up here and just buy some really pretty red wintry berries, and I love the way that those looked. And now I'm just adding cute little white houses, again from the Target dollar spot. I love these, they're a great find. And I realized that they were a little short, so I'm going to be on the hunt for some kickstands. I have a couple that you'll see me put under there eventually, but I'll add more as time goes on.
Under the tree, tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is.
So I normally have family pictures hanging here, but I took those down so I could hang this "Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas" sign, and I love it. It looks super cute right when you walk through the front door.
Spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
And now I'm in the guest bedroom, and I love to decorate this room for the seasons because it's right off of the entryway, so anybody that walks through the front door sees it, not just our guests. And I started just by adding that really pretty wreath. If you can't tell, I like to decorate with wreaths, especially this time of year, but I'm also just putting on fresh sheets and new blankets for the winter months.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference.
I really love having neutral bedding in here, and that way it's so easy to swap out pillows or just a few decor pieces, and everything matches and it's just easy. These cozy knit throw pillows are my favorite, especially in the winter months. They just add a really nice element of texture. One really easy way to save money is just to buy pillow covers off of Amazon. I got a 4-pack for I think around $10, which is crazy cheap compared to if you were to go to a store and buy pillows. It's just much more budget friendly, and they look super cute. All you have to do is just cover old pillows that you already have. So that's a little tip I have for you guys. I'll definitely leave a link to these pillows down below. We're hosting Christmas this year, so we're going to have guests staying in this guest bedroom, so I wanted to keep it simple but still really festive. So I just added this Merry Christmas sign and that little Christmas tree, as well as swapping out some of the summer decor, or fall decor I should say, with another tree, a winter candle which smells heavenly, and a little sign down below that says good tidings of comfort and joy.
Everything till we perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
And last minute I decided the bed just needed a little something extra, so I added that joyful pillow, and I feel like it really brought everything all together. I had so much fun decorating today, and I hope that this video brought you a ton of motivation and inspiration to get your home ready for the holidays. If you did like it, hit that thumbs up button, say hey in the comments, and I'll see you all really soon in my next Clean and Decorate with Me. Bye guys.